Hello foodies, welcome to my channel Safna's Cookbook. Today I am making a special Kerala style fish curry which is cooked in coconut milk and spices. This is a very simple and delicious curry that I tried many times. So come on, let's move on. First, let's start with the ingredients needed for making this curry. I have kept everything ready. 500 grams of fish cleaned properly. I have used kingfish. You can use any fish of your choice. 6 shallots thinly sliced. Lemon-sized tamarind. 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek. Shallots and curry leaves for tempering the curry. Oil 2 tablespoons. 6 cloves of garlic crushed, 3 sliced green chilies, 1 freshly grated coconut, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, salt to taste, 2 tomatoes finely chopped. Soak the tamarind in a cup of water for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, mishmash well to extract the pulp and strain using a fine sieve. Our next job is to take coconut milk out of coconut. Grind 1/3 portion in a mixer with 1 glass of water. Strain this into a clay pot or manchatti. If you don't have manchatti, you can use deep pan also. Let's add ingredients one by one. Tamarind, shallots, tomatoes, green chili, crushed garlic, chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder. Mix everything well. Last but not least, salt according to your taste. Place the manchatti in a medium flame. When it starts to boil, reduce the heat to get all flavors blend together. Stir occasionally so that the curry won't come out of clay pot. Meanwhile, we can start making the tempering for curry. For that, place a small pan in a gas stove. Add oil into it. Make sure the oil is hot enough. Then only add sliced shallots. When the shallots become golden brown in color, add curry leaves. Now the tempering is ready. I would say this is one of my favorite recipes which I learned from my mom. So making this curry is always special to me. The curry has thickened up a little bit. It's the time to add the fish now. Stir the curry well and simmer it for 8 minutes. Now the fish has cooked properly. We can add tempering on top of the curry. This is an easy yet delicious recipe that goes well with steamed rice. Do try my fish curry and let me know how it turned out. I'm looking forward to see your creation. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.